is going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day whenever you guys are watching this video. Today I went to Universal a couple days ago. I still have that video edited, remember, which we're watching this video right now. But a lot of people are kind of getting nervous and weirdly about the hurricane that's coming. I figured, no, because it's going to be a Halloween Hornets video, let's talk about this real quick with you guys. If you don't want to watch it, it's a 9-minute video to begin with, so hope you guys watch this and get the message. So first of all, the hurricane is now en route to possibly hit Orlando. Wind miles per hour, it's a category 5 wind miles per hour. It's like at 105. I just want everyone to know and realize it's this weekend, not next weekend. Hornets should still happen next weekend. Will it rain next weekend? Most likely 100%. Will some of the houses be down? Some, not all of them. Should you guys still come out to the event? Yes. I will be there opening night, so I hope to see you guys there too. I think that's just about it. I have to cover with you guys. No need to panic. If you guys aren't coming, come out, have fun. Hope to see you guys there opening night. If you want to say hi to me, go ahead and say hi to me. No, there's no doubt about saying hi to me, guys. So see you guys there opening night. See you guys there soon. Bye. How accidents occur by blocking the intersection for the turning lane. Fun stuff. You're showing your stroke. Get our Subway. I'm a little hungry, so why not get some Subway? And right across the street is Universal, where the team members go into at. So give you guys an idea, Universal video. There it is. Chicken bacon ranch melt. Delish. Hey, what is going on, everybody? I am here at Universal. This is gonna be my final Halloween Hornets update video for you guys. Rock Universe this Saturday and Sunday. Sign is right there. Fortunately, so we're gonna go ahead, take a look at the props one last time. See what we can see for the final time, because I'm pretty sure at this point in time, all the scary zones are done. So let's get to it. Also, if I raised up earlier, when you guys are looking for Hornets, you're gonna find signs just like these. It's gonna tell you the name of the house and the wait time right below, or as soon as it is, you right there, the wait time right next to it. And it's gonna tell you all the wings for it as well. So just be alert of that, guys. First up, Alto 4, sorry. And like I said about this guys on, it's just about complete. Nothing really new to say, so fancy about it. There could be some more lighting that they could put out, but I think it's done. Rock Universe stuff up there, not really too worried about it. Monsters Cafe, home to, which is going to be the version for the Scared Stunning experience. Come over here. Got yourself a bar tent. You got yourself another bar tent right over there. Wasn't even recording. Now I am talking. Like I said, as I can see this new right here. Walk all the way up. Looks like they're gonna have me get like another barbecue style food right here. Look way back there behind the bus. Because the staircase is gonna go for the auctions. And they're just wrapping that up like that right back there for parade. What do they care for? Care for Hornet stuff. Auction stuff. Should be the store right here. And right much fun, you can actually see the staircase right there. Bunch over here, everything store. What I think is gonna be before is to have fire. It's kind of like sketches of fire and have like fire going up in reactions, but that could just be. Actually, let's keep walking down this way. I don't know how often I can't get enough saying it is very good to see one of these signs. I love looking at the signs. Looks like there's nothing new with this perch scare zone. That's like right down there. You still got the, you know, who's participating, who's not participating. You guys aren't coming to Halloween Horror Nights. See the stage right here? Just ignore it. It's for Rock the Universe and Rock the Universe only. So all this stuff right here. We might have these right here out for Rock the Universe for Horror Nights, but no, I don't think so. They went out earlier. Some more goodie stuff right here. Some more Horror Nights props. Meant. Looks like they're getting some more stuff out. Like, looks like for the bodies in to the wood chipper, I guess. Actually go to the floor. That's so cool. I can still see the car from here. It's still looking nice and perfect. Move the car around to this side. I was really excited to see some things inside of there.
I'm so excited.
There's another wood chipper as well. I could be wrong. Right there. Coming up on Invasion. Probably a little box up there. That's really new. There's everything there. And doesn't really look something new here with this. Scares me. I think Invasion's complete as well. Purge, I think they're gonna add like one or two more things and then be complete, but I think these scare zones are just about complete, guys. And that's why this is my last one. Most of the bars are there as well. So instead of going this way, we're gonna go this way. So going straight, we're gonna make a right. Hey Todd, give me a water here a sec. Still kind of shocked at this point that there's still one bartender out. Another bar tent. We're gonna finally get up a little closer now into where Bill and Ted's gonna be. I hope we get a chance to actually see the show. So we're gonna zoom in for you guys real quick. That's your Bill and Ted's sign right there. Final show. Fortunately, can't be recorded. And it looks like you have some employees going back here to this bar to make food. And I think one of that's is gonna be bar because this is Bill and Ted. People are gonna want to drink right when they get out. So people going back there. You guys are trying to get some work done. Still nothing back here. I think if you probably hop on Spider-Man, you know. Oh wait, I think they're working right back there. It's all crazy, but I think if you go to where bar, by the way. If we go to where the exit of Simpsons is, you might get a better view. We're trying to look a bit. My legs starting to hurt. I'm getting tired. Okay, here we go. Yet again, another bar stand, you know, and stuff. We can keep on walking forward now. Entering Trick or Treat, Scare Zone. They still have this guy covered up. I'm not sure why they have him covered up. And again, Sam isn't here. Sam's still gone. There's obviously the door. And again, body thing right here in this front door bridge. So pumpkins, mysterious pumpkins. And I kind of just messed up everything because here comes the Superstar Parade. That. Look at stuff. Again and again, Sam's gone. Now with Superstar Fair coming out, we're gonna get you guys time lapse. Unfortunately, there's no sign that says foreign art disturbance. You know, foreign art stuff is out. Most of it was taken down for Rock Universe. I think those right there in the back are gonna be like the flamethrowers. You can get like 4, I think like three on each side and a couple up top. So it's like 3, and then 2 large ones on top. But Rock Universe comes first, I guess. Festival of the Deadliest, and this scare zone right now. Just gonna do some walking now. See if I can see anything new, which I really don't. Like I said, unfortunately, I think all the props are sitting in the back. That's the unfortunate part, but that's just it. And at this point in time, we're just coming back forward around to the beginning. And we're gonna try to get some AC, probably get some rides on. No, oh, I'm gonna do that. And that should be it. We're back all the way around. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Glad we got to talk one-on-one together about what's happening with Universal in the area of Orlando right now. So, AC, so I stepped in here. But that'll do, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new, subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment. If you're gonna be here opening night, let me know. Until next time.